Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Today our group will present a project called His App. His App is stand for Healthcare Information System Mobile Application, and this is our group members. Next is introduction. The His App is a mobile application developed to enhance the current system by providing another operating system platform, which is Android platform. The primary role of this project is to collect, manage, store and transmit the electronic medical record or EMR of a particular patient. It is also responsible for data in a hospital operational management. The next is objective. The first one is organized and coordinated treatment process. Second objective is avoid medical error. The third objective is accessibility to patient details, and lastly, instant report generator. Next slide is problem statement. According to the existing system, we analyze and come up with two problem statement, which is no proper platform for mobile application, which complement health and personal environment. The next problem statement is manual patient registration at the counter. The next slide is user scope. The users that involved in this project are patient, doctor, pharmacist, and staff. Let's continue with system demonstration. So my name is Nur Athirah. I will register as a new patient using QR code registration. So the first step is I will check, which is using my IC number. If the IC number already exists in the system, so the patient has to register at the counter. So the system shows the IC number has already exist. So I will choose with another IC number. I will fill all the information. The next information is family information. So the system shows the registration successful. So the next step is I have to go to the counter.
Hi, my name is Aida. So I will present as a staff. So I log in, put ID number and password. Here, this is the dashboard for staff. So staff can search by two methods. First by my card, second by name. So I will search by name first. So this is patient Nisa, and for a second method I will search by ID by my card. Okay, I will select for Athirah. This is the detail for Athirah. This is outpatient, patient master index, family information, and insurance. Okay, now I will register this patient at 2Q. Then with Nisa. Nisa, this is a detail for Nisa, and I will register this patient at 2Q. Okay.
Hi, my name is Umi Amira. Now I will demonstrate on the doctor's part. So let's log out from this staff account first. Alright, so now I will log in as doctor, which is Umi Amira. Okay. And then it will display the dashboard for the doctor. Before that, I will open the apps for the patient part using the mobile phone on the right hand side. And then I will sign in as the patient, which is Athirah Shuhaidi. Alright. As you can see, when Aida, which is the staff, when Aida register Athirah as patient and add to queue, Athirah will get a number which is 1009. So when Athirah sign in using the mobile phone on the right hand side, she can see the queue number and get a notification whenever the queue number is approaching. So now let's go back to the doctor dashboard on the left hand side. So as a doctor, they can view the queue number, the current queue number. Dash is because the doctor is not consulting any patient yet, and they can see the next queue number, which is 1009. Here, doctor can call next, or they can select and call patient from the list. So now I will select from the list. I will call Nur Athirah Shuhaidi. Click call. Alright, so as patient, patient will get the notification, which is on the right hand side. You can see that the notification is, you are up, please proceed to room A to meet Dr. Umi Amira. So when we click on the notification, it will display the dashboard for the patient. Patient can see that the circular on the red color is pulsing, which is call for the patient to go to the room A to meet Dr. Umi Amira. So now let's see how the doctor will consult with the patient. So here, doctor can call again by clicking this yellow button, or if the patient is missing, not coming to the doctor's room, the doctor can click on missing red button to mark the patient as missing. Or else doctor can click on consult to start consult with the patient. So now I will click on consult and start consult with Nur Athirah Shuhaidi. Okay, here in the doctor consultation screen, doctor can view the patient details such as PMI number, address, phone number, etc. And then doctor can add new chief complaints by clicking on this button. Alright, now I will add a new chief complaint. Right, for example, I will add fever. Okay, and then it will display all the symptoms from the database that match with fever keywords. So I will select, for example, typhoid fever. Select the duration. For example, in this demonstration, I will select 2. Select 2. Okay. For the unit, I will select 2 days. Alright, and then for the severity, I will select moderate. And for the size and laterality, I will leave it blank. And for the notes, I will maybe insert the temperature and click on add symptom to add the symptom to the list. Right. Now the symptom is already added to the complaint list on the bottom of the screen. The doctor also can add a few more chief complaint. So now let's add another one, chief complaint. Let's add. Okay, I will select the first one and select the duration, maybe 2 months. Okay, severity I will leave it blank, and also the notes I will just put comments here. Okay, click on add symptom, and the new chief complaint will add it to the list. Now to save the complaints in the database, the doctor need to click on save symptoms, right? So now I will click on save symptoms, and then the chief complaint will add it to the database, and also we can see that the list of chief complaint is added to the consultation notes here, which is typhoid fever and the depression. Right now, next, doctor can also add the past medical history by clicking this button. And click on add history. So the past medical history will be added to the history list on the bottom of the screen here. And then the doctor need to click on save history to save the past medical history to the database. Okay, so now the past medical history has been added to the consultation note as well here. Okay, next, the doctor also can add some vital signs to the consultation notes. Here we have a few types of vital signs. Okay, now I will add the body temperature, and I will click on save body temperature. Right, so the body temperature is saved and added to the consultation notes as well. Next, let's try to add a BMI for the patient. Click on BMI. Right, now click on save BMI to save the BMI to the database. Now you can see that all the information that we click in, which is chief complaint, past medical history and vital sign, has been added to the consultation notes.
Hi, my name is Nur Khairunnisa. I will demonstrate the drug order process between the doctor and the pharmacist. The doctor can order the drug by clicking the button on the right top. This is the form for the drug order. The doctor can add drug name, for example, paracetamol. The quantity. For the frequency, we can choose, for example, after meals, once a day, routes, and dose. Add drug list. For this drug order, the doctor can add multiple types of drug. The next one, I will try to add aspirin. Add drug list. Two of the drug that the doctor prescribed already displayed on the drug order list at the bottom, and then click the submit drug order. After the doctor successfully add the drug order, the doctor will discharge the patient. Next, I will show on the pharmacy side. I will log out on this one first. I will log in back using pharmacist account. This is the dashboard for the pharmacist. They can view the drug order list that the doctor made just now. Click the select button to view the drug order list. Click order details. Here is the details of drug that we ordered just now. After the pharmacy prepare the medicine, they can call back the patient. On the patient side, they will get the notification that the medicine is ready, and they will proceed to the pharmacy to make payment and take their medicine.
Okay, hi, my name is Nurul Afiqah Binti Samsuri. Okay, I would like to proceed with the payment. Okay, to proceed with the payment, so click on the button, proceed to payment. Okay, so it will display it will display to the page to proceed the payment. So to proceed the payment, The user can choose if the user insurance cover with the insurance, so it will select with the insurance. If the patient is not covered with the insurance, so select on the without insurance. So I will select on without insurance. So for the payment method, so it will have two methods, which is pay with cash or debit or credit. So I will proceed the payment method by using cash. So click on the cash, click on the pay and dispense drug. So on the patient, it will notify that they had made the payment. So to print the invoice, click on the payment history. Okay. After we select the payment, so we can choose to share on the device. So I will click to save on the device. So select on Telegram. So the invoice will be sent on the Telegram. Now the invoice had been sent through the Telegram. That's all from me. Thank you.